In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the grid in Fusion 360. If you're working on a clean presentation, capturing screenshots, or you simply want an uncluttered view while sketching, hiding the grid can make your workspace feel calmer and easier to read. The grid is a helpful visual guide for alignment and spacing, but it doesn't affect your actual geometry. Turning it off is quick, reversible, and won't change any dimensions, constraints, or the accuracy of your design. Start by opening your design or going straight into a sketch in Fusion 360. When you're in an active sketch, you'll see a panel on the right side of the screen called the Sketch Palette. This panel contains many of the visual and behavioral options for sketching, and it's where we'll control the grid display. If the panel looks collapsed, hover over the right edge and expand it so you can see the options clearly. Inside the sketch palette, look for the option labeled Show Grid. It's a simple checkbox that controls whether the sketch grid is visible. Take a moment to scan the list so you don't accidentally toggle a different setting, because there are several similar looking options in this panel. Now uncheck the box next to Show Grid. As soon as you clear that box, the grid in your sketch area will disappear. You'll still see your sketch lines, dimensions, constraints, and any construction geometry. Only the grid itself is hidden. This change is immediate and visual only, which means your sketch behavior and precision remain exactly the same. If you're preparing a tutorial, a presentation, or a client review, this small adjustment can make your sketches look more polished and focused. A quick note on context: the Show Grid option in the sketch palette controls the grid when a sketch is active. If you don't see the grid changing, double check that you're actually in a sketch editing environment where the sketch palette is visible. Also remember that hiding the grid doesn't remove snapping options you may rely on. Your constraints and dimensions will still guide your geometry. If you ever want the grid back, simply return to the sketch palette and check Show Grid again. It's the same control, so you can toggle it on and off as your workflow requires. Many designers switch it off while drafting and back on when they need precise spacing cues. That's all there is to it. Open your design or sketch, find Show Grid in the sketch palette on the right, and uncheck it to hide the grid. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free sketching experience in Fusion 360.